Alright, so we have Mitsubishi and Kia. That's a bit weird for me because they're like not related. It says no people walking there, but I'm gonna walk. Alright, so we have this Mitsubishi concept car. It's called the Grand Tour. It's a concept, so everything is, you know, exaggerated. Exaggerated rims, exaggerated body styling. Everything is exaggerated. You know, I'm kind of trying to catch it up because it's like keeps on spinning. So I guess this is a electric, you know, concept. It looks, you know, it looks very Cadillac, Range Rover feel. And then there's not much to it in the Mitsubishi section. We have the Lancer. You can't really say it's a facelift because all they did was changing the front bumper, add some LEDs. So it's kind of disappointing for the Lancer this year. We have here, sorry, I forgot the names of the Mitsubishis. The SUV. This is the Mirage, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yep, it's the Mirage, like I said, G4, and this one is also the Mirage. But yeah, I know. So we have the Mirage here. I think this is a Lancer again. Yeah, it is.
How many of the cars are you gonna like so I could get a portrait shot of
AMG.
I mean, like, as you're doing it, tell me you don't need a focus brand shot of the car. You know what I mean?
Oh, right.
I'm only taking pictures of like cars that